Feature shortcuts. Open the Chrome menu. Windows and Linux shortcut, Alt plus F or Alt plus E. Pause the video and try. Show or hide the bookmarks bar. Windows and Linux shortcut, Control plus Shift plus B. Mac shortcuts, Command plus Shift plus B. Pause the video and try. Open the Bookmarks Manager. Windows and Linux shortcut, Control plus Shift plus O. Mac shortcuts, Command plus Option plus B. Pause the video and try. Open the History page in a new tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, Control plus H. Mac shortcuts, Command plus Y. Pause the video and try. Open the Downloads page in a new tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, Control plus J. Mac shortcuts, Command plus Shift plus J. Pause the video and try. Open the Chrome Task Manager. Windows and Linux shortcut, Shift plus Escape. Pause the video and try. Set focus on the first item in the Chrome toolbar. Windows and Linux shortcut, Shift plus Alt plus T. Pause the video and try. Set focus on the rightmost item in the Chrome toolbar. Windows and Linux shortcut, F10. Pause the video and try. Switch focus to unfocus dialog, if showing, and all toolbars. Windows and Linux shortcut, F6. Pause the video and try. Open the Find bar to search the current page. Windows and Linux shortcut, Control plus F or F3. Mac shortcuts, Command plus F. Pause the video and try. Jump to the next match to your Find bar search. Windows and Linux shortcut Control plus G. Mac shortcuts, Command plus G. Pause the video and try. Jump to the previous match to your Find bar search. Windows and Linux shortcut, Control plus Shift plus G. Mac shortcuts, Command plus Shift plus G. Pause the video and try. Open Developer Tools. Windows and Linux shortcut, Control plus Shift plus J or F12. Mac shortcuts, Command plus Option plus I. Pause the video and try. Open the Clear Browsing Data options. Windows and Linux shortcut, Control plus Shift plus Delete. Mac shortcuts, Command plus Shift plus Delete. Pause the video and try. Open the Chrome Help Center in a new tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, F1. Pause the video and try. Log in a different user or browse as a guest. Windows and Linux shortcut, Control plus Shift plus M. Mac shortcuts, Command plus Shift plus M. Pause the video and try. Open a feedback form. Windows and Linux shortcut, Alt plus Shift plus I. Pause the video and try. Thank you.